Welcome to your guide on budgeting, using the 20% rule. Learning how to budget your income can ensure financial stability and even open doors to future investments. Today, we'll break down how you can effectively allocate your monthly earnings. Leisure matters too. Dinners, hobbies, and downtime keep you motivated to stick with your budget, helping you sustain this plan over time. First up is the essentials, which should account for 50% of your budget. This covers necessities such as housing, transportation, and food. By keeping these expenses within half of your income, you ensure that your basic needs are always met. Take a calm moment to recharge. A clear mind leads to smarter money choices without overspending. Next, let's talk about the fun stuff. Around 30% of your budget should be allocated for discretionary spending. This includes entertainment, dining out, hobbies, and other personal indulgences. Enjoy budget-friendly hobbies at home. Simple activities deliver joy and energy while keeping your discretionary spending under control. Remember, life's about balance, and enjoying yourself is a critical part of any financial plan. Lastly, the remaining 20% should go towards investing. Start with building your emergency fund by saving 3 to 6 months of your income. Once this is established, you can explore investment opportunities. If you can't start with 20%, start with 5% of your income, then increase it incrementally until you ultimately reach the 20% goal. Watch your contributions stack over time. Small, steady deposits compound into real growth that moves you toward your goals. This segment isn't just spare change, it's an investment in your future. Adopting the 20% rule can transform your financial health. Stick to it and watch your savings grow while still enjoying life's pleasures. Now, these percentages aren't set in stone. You can change them so that they fit your income level. Some income earners may need 60%, 75% of their income for necessities. Others may be able to invest 30%, 40% of their income. The goal is to have a system in place that allows you to be able to maintain a lifestyle where you can not only live for today, but also invest in your future. Adjust your budget sliders each month. Review, refine, and keep every dollar aligned with your priorities.